Hello, assalamu alaikum. My name is Hazrat Huzaifa. My ID is 181352330. My presentation topic is weapon detection using YOLO V8 for smart surveillance system. So, for my research background, according to Bangladesh Police, 1770 cases were reported in 2019. That's a very alarming rate. So, remove this situation, I chose this topic. And very next slide, I discuss about my project motivation. In other countries, work with own data, but in Bangladesh, there is no implementation. That's why Bangladesh facing many crime without proper investigation and identification. We want to develop a method effectively solve this problem. So, in my research scope was very low cost with weapon detection and finally set the notification in the system. Research question in this slide: does our proposed approach can be used for weapon detection? Is it possible or not? So here is my literature review. In this research purpose, I read 15 to 20 papers. Here some few papers for literature review. First paper is criminal investigation tracker with suspect prediction using machine learning. In this paper, we findings the study suggests a unique method for character training. This is a real world face and fingerprint identification. In this paper, I found that a limitation there is fingerprint very low accuracy. A very next paper name is weapon detection is a yellow v3 for smart surveillance system. In this paper, the state of yellow v3 object detection, but this object detection yellow v3 very old model. That's why I use very smart model yellow v8 for our system. Very next paper, weapon detection using artificial intelligence and deep learning security application. In this same like previous two, that's their accuracy is much better than two papers, but we need more work in this paper. Same like as this paper. Now his main part is research method, and there is two type research method: qualitative method and quantitative method. My work qualitative data analysis or deep learning. That's why I focus on qualitative data. So methodology data collection is by 4 steps. First of all, videos will be collected from CCTV footage. Secondly, sample size of data 1000, and data collected will be smartphone or logos device, and finally data will be different type of weapon. And surely this methodology I using purely E8 model. And here is my possible diagram. First of all, my problem detection, and then image collected. Third step was data preprocessing in test and training the and bin model, and then video data collection for test data. So here is my possible methodology diagram. So in this paper, evaluated method mean average precision, which is the word for RCNN, YOLO, Mark CNN. So MAP is a very good or bad for project purpose. So result analysis, here is my um, research model mapping of YOLO V7. We look that here is precision is 67% and recall is 53%, and MAP is 58%, which is very good for result. Here is F1 score, recall, and precision, which is performed like 50 to 60%, and that was very good. And here is the result of V8 for various kind of data. And finally, this is my output of my resultant analysis. Yellow V8, we looked, they detect the handgun. And limitation and future scope in this slide I describe the obtained works are not entirely satisfactory because of there is attribute not accurate data from CCTV footage. Additionally, we plan investigation of flow of weapon eventually. So that's why next time I will be work very sharp and Right. Do you have any question? Thank you. Here is my reference.